Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can fix the number of requests sent exceeds the quota limit error code 253 in Google Flow. When you try to create any image or any video, you get this error. For Google Apps tools, the quota limits are almost always time-based rather than account-based errors. The quota typically resets every 24 hours. Unfortunately, there is no premium tier to upgrade to for these experimental tools. So these are the things you need to consider before creating any image or video in Google Flow. Or the solution that you can try on your browser is just click on this three dot option and go to the settings and click on privacy and security, then click on delete browsing data and just uncheck all of these and just only check cached image and files and select all time. After that, just hit delete data and this will delete all your cached image and files. After that, simply close the Chrome completely and open it again and see if the error fixes or not. If your error is not fixed after this solution and you are still getting this error, the next solution is click on this view site information and click on cookies and site data and just click on manage on device site data and just delete this data or on device side data. This will delete all your cookies of this website on your browser, or this is the data from the site you are visiting. So you can just delete this and click on done and just try to refresh it again and just cut this and then hit enter and hope this will fix your error. Now in my case it is not fixing, but you can search for flow and open up the Google Flow from the search. Then click on create with Google Flow and hope this will fixes your problem. I hope after this solution your problem will be fixed, and if yes, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.